And turning back towards our weather right now, it really is hot around Puget Sound. You're taking a look at current temperatures really fluctuating between the 90s and the upper 90s, 94 in Seattle, 97 in Olympia. Let's get right to meteorologist Adam Claibon. Adam, the question everyone is wondering, when are we going to see those temperatures start to drop?
We're going to see a gradual drop here next couple of days, Madison. So tomorrow we do drop, I think more mid 80s, a few upper 80s possible, but I think a lot of the 90s are going to be gone. So we'll say goodbye to those and we'll finally see this streak come to an end, which we added another day to it today. 2022 has seen the longest streak of 90-degree days or higher here, and that has been at 6 days dating back to this past Tuesday up until today's date of the 31st. So 6 consecutive days beating out the old marks of 5 days for 2015 and 1981, and we've had quite a few of those streaks that have been at 4 days. So today's highs, where are they? They're in the 90s like we know, 94 in Seattle, 94 in Renton, Olympia up to 97 degrees, mid-90s in Shelton at 96, and then just shy of 90 in Bellingham. That high right there in Bellingham, actually just 1 degree shy of the daily record, and in Olympia 2 degrees shy of that, and then Seattle, if we verify at 94, that will be a daily record, or at least a tying of the daily record. We'll see if it gets above that. But the coast still cooler, and hopefully it looks like some of that relief is on the way on eastward. Heat advisory is still in effect until 9 p.m. tonight, but we can see the end. The end is near. Now we see also this excessive heat warning, which is still in effect. That will come to an end later tonight at 9 p.m. Speaking of some of those daily records, here are the numbers right there for you. Highs today so far, 94 out at SeaTac, Olympia 97, 89 in Bellingham, and you can see how they match up against some of the records, which 94 again ties the daily record here out at SeaTac Airport. Sunny skies, we got the sun out there. It's plenty of that, and it also is a good amount of haze still showing up in the sky. Kind of gives you that summer sort of hot look. SeaTac, same story here, a lot of sunshine, pretty warm, and then you go out to the coast, and that's where we have the cloudy, gloomy, and dreary conditions. Cool weather, it's coming our way. The Calvary, not too far away. Right now, looking live in Seattle, we're at 94. Northwest winds coming in at 7 miles per hour. Not too much wind as we head on into the night, but these numbers are going to drop dramatically. Low 60s, a few upper 50s as we start off tomorrow morning. A little cooler than where we have been recently. Right now, sitting at 69 in Forks, 80 in Friday Harbor. Future clouds tonight show some of those clouds starting to come on in with a marine layer, and that's how we'll start off your Monday morning. So that's going to keep us from warming up as quickly, and then as we go later on into the afternoon, more of that marine push, that marine air that will be around. We'll see the sunshine though take over, and then by Tuesday, a little less of that push on the way, but we'll have that cooler air mass really starting to take shape and really grab more of a hold here across western Washington. So not a huge issue, even if we do get to see a lot more sunshine heading on into the afternoon Tuesday. For tonight's lows, check this out, a lot more of the 50s beginning to appear. 51 in Port Angeles tonight, down to 54 in Shelton. Some relief on the way in Puyallup will drop down to 55, and then around 59 in Everett, 55 in Oak Harbor. Low 60s around Renton and Seattle. Here, look at some of the highs tomorrow. You can see they're going to be warm still until Tulalip up to 82, 83 in Redmond. Seattle maybe 86 degrees for a high, still pretty warm there. More of the 80s around parts such as Lakewood, Puyallup up to 85. The coast around the 60s, and then as you go farther east across the state, they're still pretty hot over there. More 100s in Moses Lake, Walla Walla, and over around Spokane. 80s for the next few days, and then back in the 70s with a few rain chances on the way Thursday, possibly early Friday.